Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last 2 days and how the natural gas price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is moving and made a low of around $6.66, and after that it is tried to move upside. As I've already explained you in my previous video that whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, and this is the first time. This is for the fourth time we have seen this has made a fall. Okay, and if you look at the weekly chart also, you will see the same pattern. If you look at this particular chart, it made a high, and this particular level we have seen a downfall. After crossing this particular level, the second high is this, it went again downside. Third time and the fourth time we have seen the same pattern is creating. So if this particular swing sustain, so probability is high that it can go further upside, or if it comes close to this particular level, and if this level breaks again, and from there we see if there is swing forming, then we can see it can form a same pattern, okay, which is at a higher probability. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Any doubt regarding natural gas, commodities or forex, and a telegram link also I give, you can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Suppose if this swing sustain and we see a rebound upside, so probability will be high that we can see it can go towards a level of $7.304, and if that level goes further upside, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of 7.4. Once the price sustain above this level, because these levels are already being tested here, and a resistance which is already being tested and a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see a level of 7.5, which is again a resistance which is a weak resistance, so probability is there we can see it can go towards further upside and can touch a level of $7.8. okay, and once the price goes above this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 7.99 is there. Okay, and if that level goes further high, then we can see it can make a new high of around $8.018, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $8.9182. okay, and if that level sustain, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move towards a level of $8.3, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.5. Once the price sustain above 8.5, then we can see a trend for natural gas which again form on upside, so probability is there we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but there is a market is volatile, so you have to be careful with your stop loss and your day limit for that particular trade, okay, so that you should not wipe out your capital if you are trading or investing, anything you are doing. Okay, now as we can see that the overall trend is continuous downside. So suppose if this level acted as a resistance with a strong support, with a strong resistance at 7.2676, so what we can see, if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.99. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.8. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.66, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.38. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go further down towards a level of $6.27, and if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move towards a level of $6.056. okay, and once the price goes below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch level of around $5.8, and from there we can see it can move further down once the price goes below $5.8. Again I repeat, suppose if the swing is formed at this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.8, and from there we can see a level of 6.6, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see a level of 6.3, and once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 5.8, and then we can see it can move further downside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.